Good afternoon, everyone. Back with another video here. This time I'm going to show you my chocolate covered strawberry protein shake, or even better, protein smoothie. This is super low carb, super high protein, absolutely phenomenal taste. It's delicious. Trust me, you're going to like this one, guys. First thing I do is when I go to the grocery, I buy fresh strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, bananas, and I freeze them. I cut them up and I freeze them in bags in the refrigerator because they last longer and I can put them into my smoothies and my protein shakes. Nice thing about that is it also saves a lot of money because buying frozen berries is a lot more expensive than you can sometimes find really good sales on the fresh fruit. So what I've done here, let me show you, is I've taken all my strawberries here and I froze them. So in this shake, which I've started over here, we're going to be using that. This is my preference on protein powder. Nobody has to use the same different one. We all use different stuff. We're going to be using egg whites, 1 cup egg whites, 8 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, vanilla non-fat Greek yogurt. So there's no fat. This is super low fat, super low carb, super high protein. I've got the animal. This is the isolate. So this is all protein isolate, hydrolyzed isolates, and I think there's a little bit of concentrate, but it's mostly isolate formed. So got 25 grams there, strawberry flavor. And then we've got the Beverly International UMP Ultimate Muscle Protein chocolate flavored. Beverly is a local company around here who's been in the bodybuilding industry for absolutely probably 40 or 50 years. I know the owners of the company, and this is a really good protein if you've never heard of it. But that's what we're going to put in this. So we're going to start out, we're going to put in the 8 ounces of the almond milk. I'm going to put in 4 or 5 of the frozen strawberries. We're going to put in 1 cup of the egg whites, which I've already done. And then we're going to put in, look at the serving, 3/4 cup of the Greek yogurt, okay? And then I'll give you all the rundown of the stats at the end. And there's the yogurt. Level scoop of the animal protein strawberry flavored, or your favorite strawberry flavored whey protein isolate, or whatever you use. One in there. And we're doing 1 scoop of the UMP right here. The worst part of opening a brand new thing of protein powder is trying to find this damn scoop, and then you get it all over your hands and stuff. That's the worst. 1 scoop of that. I also added just a few ounces of water, filtered water, into the shake as well, just so it's not going to be too thick. And then here is another one that's amazing. This is the Jordan Skinny Mixes Salted Caramel. As you can see here, 0 calories. It's got 0 carbs, 0 fat, with 0 protein. It's pretty much 0. It gives a nice little caramel taste to it. I'm just going to do 1 little squirt of this, just like that. And then we're going to put this in the blender. We're going to get it going. Stick it in my NutriBullet, which I'm a big fan of. These are absolutely amazing because you can just do it into the cups. We're going to put it on a smoothie. "30 seconds is what we're doing. 30 seconds. That's done. Since the strawberries were frozen, they almost acts as ice cubes. This is super cold right now. So I didn't add additional ice cubes because it ends up being way too thick. Here's your finished shake. I'm going to give you the calorie, all the stats on this real quick, but let me taste this. You have no idea how delicious this shake is. You must try this. Give this a shot. Anybody out there who does bodybuilding or fitness or into low carb, high protein, low fat, this is a must. Okay, now I'm going to give you the breakdown. We got a grand total of 450 calories. So this is a meal replacement. This is not just a shake. So it's a full meal replacement. 450 calories. We've got 4.5, 7 grams of fat for the whole thing. Carbohydrates. We've got 6. About 26 grams of carbohydrates. Most of that is from the yogurt. Lactose in the yogurt. And then your protein is going to be around 45, 46, 60. We got about 75 grams of protein as well. in this. So it's a full meal replacement. Absolutely amazing. Give it a shot. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep grinding out, and thank me later for this one. You guys take care.